photographers, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do imprinting on an album just like this and never make a mistake. And imprinted cover is one of the easiest to design. Let's go ahead to the advanced option, choose your lab. I'm going to choose Miller's Lab, 10 pages. And what you want to do is choose the basic cover. So the basic cover means just materials. Let's go ahead and design a small album because I'm going to upload it for direct ordering. Design that project. And when we open that album, we see there is no cover because there's nothing to design. From there, just go to the export menu, choose export for print or order direct from lab. Now, before ordering, you'll want to check your cover materials as well as fonts that are available for imprinting, and then also the colors available. Your lab will have this. Here we are on Miller's website. Now you can order through your lab, or if you have used the one-click easy ordering from Fundy Designer, once you click complete order, it will load all of those options for you. So then you can choose your material. And then on the imprinting section, you can choose whatever color you want. So first we will start with the foil stamping, bottom right, bottom center, etc. And next, after the foil stamping, we will choose our color. Now let's go ahead and type in the characters, maximum 22 characters here. This is line 1, and then this is line 2. And it's really that easy. Now we'll just go to update the cart and make the rest of our choices and place that order either through your lab or Fundy Direct, which saves you time and makes it easy and make sure you have no mistakes. So if you want to do classic imprinting in pretty much any color, that's how you do it. Be sure to dive into Fundy Designer, give it a go. And if you like this video, click like and subscribe so you can get more tutorials.